Text, Am CSE. Chu Li, Human-Computer Interaction. Paul G. Allen School of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hi, my name is Chu. I'm a third-year PhD student in the Allen School. I'm part of the Makeability lab. I'm advised by Professor John Frillick.
Chu sits at a desk with a laptop and a second monitor. She examines a map.
I came to the States doing a master's in urban design and architecture. Then I worked as an urban designer in Chicago for 2 years and decided that's probably not something I want to do for the rest of my life. I wanted to do research at the intersection of HCI and urban science. AltGeoViz initially was not part of my research plan.
She gestures to a poster depicting images of a bus stop labeling tool while wearing a Makeability Lab t-shirt and talking with two men. She then browses a street view image on a laptop.
I was working on a visualization tool for sidewalk accessibility.
In an image of a bus stop, colored dashed lines outline a trash can, seating, the shelter and signage.
And then I realized that this visualization tool was not accessible to screen reader users. I thought I could just adapt someone else's research framework into my visualization tool.
She interacts with an on-screen map via a laptop keyboard.
It turns out there was no research project at the time, so I decided to come up with my own.
Text, map of population density in the United States.
So AltGeoViz is a system that automatically generates alternative text for screen reader users for geovisualizations. So this is a map of the United States showing the different population density for each state. So over here is a brief summary of the current map visualization. It has a simple spatial pattern summary as well as descriptive stats.
In the current view, population density is high in the right. No regions with particularly low population density. The average population density is 286.2 people per square mile. The state with the highest population density is District of Columbia, with 10,970.5 people per square mile. The state with the lowest population density is Wyoming with 6.0 people per square mile. Press I to hear the boundary of the current view. Press M to interact with the map.
I'm going to start interacting with the map. I'll zoom in and now arrow my way around to the East Coast. And then here I can pull up more information.
In the current view, population density is high in the bottom right. Population density is low in the top left. The average population density is 523.3 people per square mile.
At the end of the day, alt text is still unidirectional communication. So I wanted to create something new. AltGeoViz 2 is a system that has question and answering capabilities.
Type your question here.
Text, welcome to Makeability. This is an interactive choropleth map of the United States showing population density.
During our user studies, we actually found that blind and low vision people asked many questions that were apparent to visual users. For example, what are the neighboring states of Oregon?
Oregon is bordered by Washington to the north, Idaho to the east, Nevada to the southeast, and California to the south. To the west, it has a coastline along the Pacific Ocean.
The more that we can talk to other people, the more that we can benefit from each other's knowledge and skills, the better research that we can create. My name's Chu and I am CSE.
Chu smiles. Text, Paul G. Allen School of Computer Science and Engineering. cs.washington.edu. Copyright Paul G. Allen School of Computer Science and Engineering. University of Washington 2025.